It is said that our earth is full of wonders, and that's indeed true, because every day new and incredible things are being discovered. Have you ever thought of looking into the animal kingdom? If yes, then we have something in common. I mean, who doesn't love animals, right? They can be cute, funny, deadly, weird, but most importantly, they're always fascinating to look at. The animal kingdom is full of wonders, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. You will find animals that are simply mind-blowing. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to take a look at some of the amazing facts about animals. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the top 3 amazing fact about animal. Number 3, chameleon. You must have seen this reptile at least once in your life, as they are kept as pets by many people. But do you know there are more than 200 species of chameleon found across the world? Also, these chameleons can change their skin color depending upon their mood or the surroundings. And the reason behind this is the sacs under their skin, which are filled with guanine. This helps to reflect the light away and hence change the color. Along with changing their color, they also change their pattern. There are special cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments, and these help the chameleon to change its appearance. These cells are present in the lower layer of the skin, and these cells are connected with each other through a nervous system. When the chameleon wants to change its appearance, then the neurosecretory cells send signals to the pigment cells and they disperse the pigment. These cells contain red, yellow, and black color pigments. When these pigments mix, they form different colors, and hence the chameleon gets its desired color. Also, chameleons can only change their color when they are cold-blooded, which means that if their body temperature drops below the environmental temperature, then only they will change their color. The main purpose behind changing the color is to camouflage themselves in the surroundings so that they can hide from the predators and can also catch their prey. Also, chameleons don't solely rely on their vision for hunting. They use their sense of smell to hunt down their prey. Chameleons have nostrils at the tip of their snouts, which helps them to detect the slightest movement in the surrounding, and hence they can easily detect their prey. Also, their sense of smell is so good that they can smell the insects from a long distance and hence can easily track them down. Not only their sense of smell helps them, but also their tongue. The chameleon has a very long and sticky tongue, and hence they can easily trap the insects before they can escape. 2. Jellyfish. You might have seen this one in the sea. Some people are fascinated by these creatures, and some find them terrifying because some jellyfish are deadly too. But did you know there are more than 2,000 species of jellyfish in the world? Even Scyphozoa, which is commonly known as jellyfish, is divided into 4 subclasses. These include Staurozoa, Cubozoa, Scyphozoa, and Hydrozoa. The size of these jellyfish ranges from just a few inches to around 100 feet. In the year 2007, an enormous jellyfish was spotted off the coast of Victoria, and its bell alone measured over 3 meters wide. Along with this, they have a very simple structure. Their body is made up of 3 parts, namely the bell, the manubrium, and the tentacles. Most of the jellyfish are free-swimming, but some of them are also attached to the surfaces like rocks and corals. Generally, they move in a very sluggish manner, but in some species, the rate of movement is very high. For example, the box jellyfish moves at the rate of 15 kilometers per hour. Jellyfish mostly feed on plankton and small fish. They also use their stinging cells to capture the prey, and also for defense. And due to their slow mode of movement, they become an easy target for other predators. Hence, the stinging cells come in handy for protecting themselves. These stinging cells inject a venom into the body of the prey and hence paralyze them and make them unable to move. Once the prey is paralyzed, then it becomes an easy meal for the jellyfish. Also, these stinging cells are not only used for capturing the prey, but also for defense. Jellyfish can only sting once because once the cell is discharged, it dies. There are millions of these stinging cells in one jellyfish, and hence they can pose a serious threat to the divers. The box jellyfish is one of the most dangerous jellyfish in the world. Its sting is very powerful, and even a single sting can be enough to kill a human. In Australia, there are around 15 to 20 deaths every year because of the box jellyfish. One way to avoid getting stung by jellyfish is to keep calm. If you panic, then you will thrash around in the water, and this would only agitate the jellyfish and more number of cells will discharge, and hence more pain and swelling would follow. To remove the tentacles of jellyfish, vinegar is the best solution. Whereas in case of box jellyfish, venom experts recommend rubbing the affected area with seawater or a credit card to remove the unfired cells. Number 1. Pangolin. If you haven't heard about this animal, then let me tell you, it is one of the most amazing and unique creatures on the planet. Pangolins are the only mammal on Earth that is covered with scales. These scales are made of keratin, which is the same substance that is found in human nails and hair. The pangolin is a nocturnal animal, and hence during the daytime they stay calm and quiet, curled up in a ball inside a termite mound or a tree hollow. At night, they come out and start searching for food. Pangolins use their long, sticky tongues to lap up the termites. And the most interesting thing is their defense mechanism. When they feel threatened, they curl up into a tight ball with their head tucked under their tail. In this position, their scales protect them from the predators. Also, pangolins secrete a foul-smelling liquid from their anuses to confuse the predator. This thick armor of scales makes them very heavy. Hence, they can't climb up trees or swim properly. But these scales help them to protect themselves from almost all the predators. The giant ground sloth is the only animal that can prey on adult pangolins. However, pangolins are endangered because of 2 reasons. Firstly, they are hunted for their meat. And secondly, they are captured for illegal wildlife trade. People believe that pangolin scales have medicinal value and hence they are hunted in large numbers. Due to this, pangolin is now the most trafficked animal in the world. To save pangolin from extinction, many organizations are working towards creating awareness among the people. So these were some amazing facts about the animals. What did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments section below. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and comment down your favorite animal. We will surely make a video on that. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.